Have you ever wondered how a rocket launches into space? In this video, we break down the fascinating process of rocket launches, from ignition to reaching orbit. Join us as we explore the science and engineering behind these incredible feats of technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting space content. A rocket launch is all about overcoming Earth's gravitational pull. Rockets need to reach a speed of about 25,000 miles per hour, known as escape velocity, to break free from our planet's grip. But how do they do it? Rockets are typically made up of multiple stages. Each stage has its own engines and fuel supply. The first stage is the most powerful, providing the initial thrust needed to lift off the ground. Once its fuel is exhausted, it's jettisoned, and the second stage takes over, and so on. The launch sequence starts with ignition. The rocket's engines are ignited, producing a massive amount of thrust. This thrust is what propels the rocket upwards. The engines burn a combination of fuel and an oxidizer, creating hot gases that are expelled out of the rocket's nozzles at high speed. As the rocket ascends, it faces decreasing atmospheric pressure. This means the engines become more efficient as they climb higher. The rocket also has to contend with air resistance or drag, which is why it's designed to be as aerodynamic as possible. Once the rocket reaches a certain altitude, the final stage ignites, pushing it into orbit. At this point, the rocket is traveling fast enough to stay in orbit around Earth. If it's a mission to another destination, like the Moon or Mars, additional maneuvers are performed to set it on the correct trajectory. After reaching orbit, the payload, which could be a satellite, a space probe, or even a crewed spacecraft, is deployed. The rocket has done its job, and the payload continues on its mission. And that's a brief overview of how rocket launches work. It's a complex and thrilling process that combines cutting-edge technology and a lot of science. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more space adventures.